Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create an informative and interactive theme section in WordPress. And the best part is, you don't need to write a single line of code. We'll be using the ElementsKit Team Carousel slider widget to design a sleek and professional theme section. Since ElementsKit is an Elementor add-on, you'll need to have both Elementor and ElementsKit installed on your site. After that, navigate to ElementsKit widget tab and look for Team Carousel slider widget. And once you see it, just activate this widget and you are good to go. Let's start from scratch. Add a new page or post and start editing with Elementor Builder. Once you are inside the Elementor editor, start by adding a container, just like we usually do to hold all our design elements. Next, head over to the content tab. Set the content width to full width. Make sure the slider width is at 100%. Then set the item get to 0. Finally, change the overfill settings to hidden. Now head over to the style tab. Upload your image and then in the image settings positions, it will be center. There will be no repeat. We are choosing a custom size where width is 80%. Next, scroll down to the border sections. We are setting the border style to solid and our border width is 1 pixel. Choose a border color that fits your design and set the border radius to 10 pixels for smooth rounded corners. Start by drag and drop the ElementsKit Team Carousel slider widget onto your container. Under the content tab, open the theme content settings. First, enable the display descriptions. By default, you will see 3 sample team members, which you can easily delete or add more as needed. Each profile is fully customizable, including names, positions, bios, and social link. For our design, we are keeping it simple. Go into the slider settings. Set spacing to 22 pixels. Slice to show. Here, we'll keep it 1 as we want to show one slice only. And don't forget to enable show dots option for pagination. So now we are in the style tab. First, go under the content section. Here, turn off the center alignment for left align as I want them to be there. Now, we're keeping the border type as default, but changing the border radius to 8 pixels. Then, come into item padding. It will be 6 pixels in all sides. But in the content padding options, I'm keeping 12 pixels to top, and for the right and left it will be 25 pixels. Then come to the wrapper padding. It will be 2 pixels in all sides. Then come in the image sections. Set the image resolutions to full. Image size will be 100%. Here the border radius will be 2 pixels to top and right only. Margin will be 0 in all sides. Then go under the designation sections. Here, you just need to set the bottom margin to 15 pixels only. Then, go under the description sections. Here, set the bottom margin to 20 pixels and just move on to the social profile sections. Change alignment to left. Then, set the icon size to 12 and enable the disable animation options. And then, enable use height and width options. Here, the width will be 36 pixels and the height will be also 36 pixels. For the line height, 38 pixels. Then come to the border type. It will be solid and we are setting the border width to 1 pixel. Border radius will be 100 pixels for a perfect circles. On hover, we are adding a background color and we are adding a border color as well. Keep the border width to 0, but for the border radius, we're keeping it 100%. Now move on to the dot options. We're setting the top and bottom spacing to 20 pixels. And we are keeping a separate color to the active dot to match our overall theme. That's it with the customization part. Visitors can easily explore all your team members' details in a clean and compact layout, which is super engaging and professional. And what's really cool is that you built it without touching a single line of code. All thanks to ElementsKit Team Carousel slider widget. And if you want to take it even further, you can add a modern liquid glass effect to make the entire design extra premium. We had got a full tutorial on that too. Check the link in descriptions. So try ElementsKit for an interactive website.